Classical Feng Shui might say, fortune comes and goes, don't chase too far. At Imperial Harvest, we see it differently. With the Sun Star brightening your path and the Golden Carriage Star at your door, the goat doesn't gamble on luck, you organize it. This is the year to expand with grace and advance with calm precision. 2026 favors the goat with radiant visibility from the Sun Star and dignified support from the Golden Carriage Star. Pommelled Saddle Stars signals elevation, travel, and new arenas to lead. Through Grand Duke Combination Star, alliances click into place. Still, Sky Emptiness and Inauspicious Chi Stars warn against haste. Anchor optimism with structure. When grace meets discipline, opportunities mature into lasting achievement. Strong primary income and well-vetted investments shine under Star and Golden Carriage Stars. Overseas or new marketplace prosper with Pommelled Saddle Star when diligent leads. Avoid speculative tips and unverified advices on the Sky Emptiness Star. Keep cash flow buffers, document terms, and track KPIs monthly. Stewardship turn this year's gains into durable wealth. Sun Star draws mentors and influential sponsors. Grand Duke Combination Star align teams around your vision. Expect promotions, regional mandates, or cross-border projects. Yellow Flag Star may stir self-doubt. Answer with preparation, not perfectionism. Entrepreneurs, skill credibility first, then capacity. Consistency, documentation, and calm authority compound your rise. Inauspicious Chi Star can beat mood and stamina if you overextend. Prioritize sleep discipline, morning movement, and balanced nutrition. Elders, monitor cardiovascular and digestive health with regular checkups. Gentle outdoor routines, walks, light yoga reset the system. A peaceful mind strengthens immunity, calm pacing sustains momentum. Grand Duke Combination Star amplifies social luck, collaboration, trust, and timely help. Singles meet sincere matches through community and professional circles. Couples deepen through appreciation and presence. Under Moonshot Star, feelings may fluctuate. Listen first, speak softly. Compassion plus clear boundaries keep love steady and bright. In Imperial Harvest metaphysics, alignment replaces chance. Sun Star elevates visibility and virtue. Golden Carriage Star safeguards assets and prestige. Pommelled Saddle Star supports elevation, travel, and postings. Grand Duke Combination Star harmonizes allies. Your Imperial Path's blueprint maps timing, when to expand, when to consolidate. Consecrated treasures match to element refine focus and steadiness, turning expansion into elegant, sustainable success. Classical Feng Shui says, don't overreach. At Imperial Harvest, we say rich with rhythm. For the goat, 2026 is flourishing growth guided by composure. Live with warmth, execute with clarity, and let benefactors walk beside you. Claim your Imperial Harvest Path's Blueprint 2026. Align your timing, elevate your path, your future is in your hands.